Hello. Yesterday I got this huge great box and it should be full of some rather nice state miniatures. I don't know exactly what I've got because it was kind of hard to tell from the photographs. I thought I'd try and do a bit of an unboxing and see what we've got. Okay, let's do that. And you know what, I'm just going to, bear with me a moment, I'm just going to move the camera so I can bend the cardboard out of the way. Okay, packing peanuts. Let's hope they don't go all everywhere. This looks as though this might be very carefully packed. Oh, gracious. Okay, so I have 2 boxes. All right, let's see what's in the first one. All right, these have been these have definitely been carefully packed. Okay. This might take a while. Okay, that looks like that's empty. Here we go. China. Let's see, I have that and that. Looks as though I'm going to be cleaning some sticky tack off the bottoms of things. Ooh. Okay, going to be doing research on these, obviously. Looks like the there we go. There's the plate. It goes with the little saucer. And more, oh, that's nicely signed. There we go. One nice plate. Joe Parker. So that I think is that's a set of a plate, a saucer, and a cup. Right, this I recognise. That's Jim Clark. These have been very nicely packed. Look at this. Each individually wrapped up in tissue so that they weren't shifting. That's Sam Dunlap. Oh, that is nice. I haven't seen a piece like that by Sam Dunlap before. But that's definitely Sam Dunlap's signature. That's an Avon plate. Oh, look at that, lovely. I think actually that first sort of lidded urn that I took out might be also, I don't know if that's actually a pair with the plate or not. There's lots of fun work to come, obviously. And this one, Susie. Now that's a new artisan for me. Okay, that's the first bag. There, as you can see, there's going to be lots more to come here. When I was a child, some of the local school would put on an annual fundraising fete, and one of the things that we did was a lucky dip, which was a big barrel, and it was filled with sawdust. And then you paid, I don't know, just a pocket money amount of money, and then you just stuck your hands blindly in and you found some hidden little treasure, some little plastic toy or something, and that was your lucky dip. This is kind of reminding me of that. Now look at that. Okay, so that is a little box, and it's signed EMB 6.25. Oh, that's another new one to me. Oh, it does open too. There we go. So I know I'm going in and out of focus on here. I'm doing this on my own, which means that it's kind of hard for me to see what I'm doing and to see whether I'm actually in the frame or not. But I'm trying. So hopefully this will still be fun. Tiny little. That looks like that's going. Oh, it's a cookie press. It's a carved little cookie press. See that? That's lovely. And that's really nice too. That, I think it does have a signature on it just there, but I'm going to have to look at that carefully. That's like, look at the little hearts. I think this is going to take me quite a few videos. Here's another. Oh, look at that. Now that's, hopefully it's got the lid somewhere, but that did have a lid to it originally. I guess it looks like the lid isn't with it. But I have a little dough bowl and a cleaver and an iron. See that? I'm guessing that's Sir Thomas thumb? Yes, Sir Thomas thumb. They're just beautiful. They're just so tactile. Beautifully smooth wood. So I'll have to keep my eyes open and see if I do find the missing lid to that little box. It's a shame if it's not there, but oh well, these things happen. There's a simple little stool. And that's signed W. Kemp. I don't think I've had anything of Mr. or Mrs. Kemp's before either. Oh, I wonder if that is the, oh, here we go. I wonder if that is the lid to the box. There's a cleaver, again, very nicely made. That really isn't, so that'll go with the other tools. Let's see if this is the lid to the box. Yes, we're in luck. Oh, that's perfect. That's really nice. I'm not quite sure why they were wrapped separately, but that's perfect. They obviously go together too. So that's another EMB. And new to me. I'm sure I'll find out. It's 2 pieces by EMB. And the last piece out of here. And a little nicely done little 3-legged stool. Sir Thomas thumb. Nice clear signature. Look at that, with just the tops of the legs coming through. That is nice. Okay, I'm going to stop this now and split this video into multiple parts, because otherwise it's just going to get so long. We're at 8.5 minutes already. Okay, so more to come.